Now we're going to be dividing with powers. Our example, x to the power of 8 divided by x to the power of 4. Well, if we write them as a fraction first, we'll make things a lot clearer. X to the power of 8 over x to the power of 4. Same thing. What does x to the power of 8 mean? Well, it means x times x times x times x 8 times. And we're going to be dividing that by x to the power of 4, which means x times itself 4 times. Now, I want you to ask yourself, what does this mean? What does x divided by x equal? Anything divided by itself is going to be 1. X divided by x is 1. X divided by x is 1. And again, we got that 4 times. So now we simplified it to 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times x times x times x times x, which is just x to the power of 4. So a shortcut is to think of the ones on the bottom and the top cancelling off until there's none left either on the top or the bottom. And the shortcut here is just to subtract. So when we're dividing, as long as the base number is the same, in this case x, whatever we have on the top and whatever we have on the bottom, we're just going to go the power on the top minus the power on the bottom, and that will get us straight to our answer. Let's try an example now. Y to the power of 14 over y to the power of 3. 14 minus 3 is 11, and we're done, just by subtracting the top minus the bottom. So here's a bit more of a confusing looking example, but we only have to worry about the b's in this example. So there's an a on the top, b to the power of 2 minus 5 in that order. The top number minus the bottom leaves us with a negative 3, and c to the power of 2 on the bottom. One more example, h to the power of 9 over h to the power of negative 2. Negative powers don't matter, we just apply the same rule. Top number minus the bottom number. 9 minus negative 2 is 11. It also wouldn't matter if we have a decimal or a fraction. Top number minus the bottom gives us f to the power of 7.5.